How to recover recently deleted ChatGPT chats. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can still recover the chats that or the conversation that you just recently deleted from ChatGPT. So there's actually two specific methods of doing this. So say for example, you have deleted it from this box only, but not at your left side. For you to still recover it, all you have to do is just simply to click on a conversation that you recently removed from the front screen, and you should be able to have it recovered. However, if you fully delete it by using these three dots right here and use the delete button, you no longer have an access to recover this because it will be permanently deleted. Now, if you accidentally click on the three dots, but instead of clicking on delete, you choose on archive and the chats was removed, all you have to do is to go into your profile picture at the lower left, go to settings, and then go to data controls. And there you have archive chats. Choose on manage for you to still access the specific conversation or chat that you have deleted. Take note that you can only be doing this if you're logged in into the account. If not, if you're using the free version without logging into a specific account, then it is useless. And that's it. That's the most common way for you to still recover deleted ChatGPT chats.